everyone. Today we are going to learn about even and odd numbers and ordinal numbers. Even numbers. What do you mean by even numbers? Let me understand through the example here. See, we have some apples here. How many apples? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 apples are there. Now tell me, 6 is even number or odd number? How we will say 6 is the even number or odd number? Let me say we can able to put them in a group of 2s. We have to put the apple in the group of 2s. I am putting here in a group of 2s or pairs. I can able to put them in a group of 2s. So the number 6 is even number. What do you mean by even numbers? The numbers which can be put into group of 2s or pairs are called even numbers. Now see here the number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 are even numbers. The number 2, 4, 6, 8, these are one digit number. So the number is repeated again in 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and so on. The single digit number it will repeat again and again in the 2 digit also, 3 digit also. So we can check in the last digit the number is 2, 4, 6, 8. So the number is called even number. Odd numbers. What do you mean by odd numbers? Examples here. We have some chocolates here. How many chocolates are there? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now tell me, 7 is an even number or odd number? Tell me, how we will say 7 is an even number or odd number? How we will say? We can able to say yes, put them in a group of 2s. Can we put? Yes. See here, I put them in a group of 2s. At last only one chocolate is left. It is not having any pair. So the number 7 is odd number. Now tell me, what do you mean by odd numbers? The numbers which cannot be put into group of 2s or pairs are called odd numbers. See, the numbers which cannot be put into groups. We can't able to make a pair. That number is called odd number. So, the number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, these numbers are called odd numbers. Here also, the one digit number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, these number will repeat again in a 2 digit also, 3 digit also. So, these numbers are called odd numbers. I hope even number or odd number is clear now. Ordinal numbers. What do you mean by ordinal number? Ordinal numbers are used to tell the position of an object in a collection. That means in a collection, it tells us the position of an object. How? Like first, second, third. We are saying na first, second, third. These numbers are called ordinal numbers. See here, in the running race, those who are coming, we are saying first, second, third. How we are saying he is first, second, third. We are saying how we have to tell the position from left to right. See here, where is your left? See the arrow? This start from left. to right. This is your left side and this is your right side. Always you have to tell the position from left to right. See here in the running race, who is first here? Yes, this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. Okay, in a word, how we will say? This is the ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. It is the ordinal numbers. Now in a words, we will say first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth, and 10th. Okay, see the spelling of this ordinal number. So many kids are doing the mistake in the number of 4th and 8th and 9th. They will done the mistake. Okay, be careful about the spelling also. Now we understood about, we learn even and odd numbers and ordinal numbers. Exercise. We will do some exercise sums. Okay, first sum, from the left, circle the 4. See here, we have some stars here. We have to say, from the left, circle the 4. How we have to say the position? We have to say from left to right. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one is fourth position? Yes, I made a circle of fourth position. Now second one, from the left, circle the third one and cross the seventh one. We have to make a circle, the third one, and cross the seventh one. We have some objects here. Yes, heart shape here. We have to say from the left, circle the third one. 1, 2, 3. This is your third one. And we have to say seventh one. Count with me. Which one is seventh one? Already we made third one. Next one fourth and fifth and sixth and seventh. Yes, it is the seventh one. I made a cross here. From the left side we have to make a circle third and cross 7. Now we will do fill in the blank sums. First question, the position of B in the word notebook is. Here we have to find the position of B in a word notebook. So we have to give the answer in first, second, third, like that. In a notebook word, what is the position of B? N is the first position and O is the second position, T is third one, E is fourth one and B is fifth position. So the answer is, the position of B is in fifth position. Okay, now second one, the position of H in the word school is. We have to give the answer first, second, third, fourth, like that. So the position of H in the word third position. So our answer is third. Now third one, the position of dash in the word Tuesday is fifth. Here we have to answer in the letter. Here we have to find the position of which letter in a word Tuesday is fifth. we have to say which letter is in fifth position of the word Tuesday. In Tuesday, we have to find fifth position of letter. So T is the first position, U is second, E is third, and S is fourth, and D is fifth position. So our answer is D. See here, the first question and second question, they are asking the position of letters. The position of B in the word notebook. Which position is there? We have to give the answer first, second, third, like that. But the third question is asking about the fifth position. Which letter will come? The position of which letter will come in a fifth position. Okay. Now, fourth one, the position of dash in the word mango is third. We have to say the answer which letter is in the third position of the word mango. In the word mango, we have to find which letter is there in the third position. M-A-N-G-O. In the word, we have to find third letter. We have to find third position of letter. Okay. Write down your answer in a comment box. Thank you so much.